Habits that changed my life for free, and you can do so as well. So the first one is a cleansing balance. And what do I mean by a cleansing balance? I mean that you don't want to over cleanse, but you also don't want to under cleanse. Obviously, we don't want to under cleanse because you don't want to go to bed with dirty things that you accumulated throughout the day, but you also don't want to over cleanse. And I stress this all the time. Over cleansing can actually be the fastest way to damage your skin, especially your skin barrier, because if your skin barrier is damaged, that means that it's going to be more prone to getting acne and other kinds of skin problems. That's why I believe in double cleansing, and with each cleanse, do it for about a minute. Second, always keep your skin hydrated. This is something that my mom has emphasized all the time, and she calls it the 2-minute rule. So after you cleanse your face or get out of the shower, your skin pH balance changes whenever it is washed. So after that, before it dries out immediately, you want to mist your face or put on a toner just to make sure your skin doesn't get stripped of all the hydration barrier. Today, if your skin is feeling dry, just mist throughout. Number 3, separate your morning and nighttime skincare routine. This is something that I didn't really do in the beginning, but as I experiment more with skincare, this is something that I'm very cautious of, because especially when it comes to vitamin C and retinol and other actives, you don't want to wear retinol in the morning and forget to wear sunscreen. Or for example, you don't want to use a thick moisturizer in the morning. At nighttime, you definitely want to go in with something thicker that's going to last you throughout your whole beauty sleep. Number 4, brush your hair every day. And I have to admit, I never even owned a hairbrush until 3 years ago. And I know that's crazy because I never really had to brush my hair, but brushing your hair is not just to detangle your hair, but it's to get the good oils down to the bottom. And you also want to always stimulate your scalp, because a healthy scalp means healthy skin. It's all interconnected. Number 5, change your loofah. I cannot tell you how many people I know that never change your loofah for years and years. And do you know that your bathroom is actually one of the places that hoards the most bacteria in your house? So imagine that dirty little thing going on your skin all the time. Your body wash, why do you even use body wash when you're putting on dirt? So I like to change my loofah or bath towel every 2 to 3 months. Lastly, the easiest but the hardest one to do, stop touching your face. This is something that I used to do all the time when I was stressed or bored, just touching my face. But you are literally transferring the dirty bacteria on your hands to your face and letting acne grow. Stop touching your face.